Everyone keeps telling you that if you want a used car to survive 300,000 miles, you have to buy a Toyota or a Honda. Well, that's exactly why today's list is going to surprise you. One of these Mazdas is so ridiculously reliable it might actually outlive your neighbor's lawnmower, and the number one pick is the SUV that quietly embarrassed cars costing twice as much. Welcome back to Old Man Garage. Today we're counting down 6 used Mazdas that deliver luxury, reliability, and serious value, plus the exact model years you should chase, and the ones you should think twice about. Let's get into it. Number 6. Mazda CX 2018-2021. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest bargains hiding in plain sight, the 2018 through 2021 Mazda CX. If you've noticed that everyone and their dog suddenly needs an SUV just to drive to the grocery store, good news, that obsession has made mid-size sedans ridiculously affordable. While shoppers fight over overpriced crossovers, the Mazda CX has been quietly waiting for smart buyers who want premium comfort without signing away their paycheck. This car has always been the grown-up in Mazda's lineup. It looks elegant without trying too hard. The proportions have aged incredibly well, and unlike some competitors that resemble oversized appliances on wheels, the Mazda CX still makes you turn around for one last look after parking it. That's always a good sign. Under the hood, you'll find 2 excellent choices. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine is the reliability champion. It's simple, smooth, and more than capable of piling on serious mileage with basic maintenance. Expect around 29 to 31 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an excellent commuter without sacrificing comfort. If you want a little more excitement, Mazda also offered a turbocharged version, producing up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel, giving this sedan enough punch to surprise people who assume it's just another family car. One of the biggest reasons the Mazda CX belongs on this list is the transmission. Instead of following the crowd and stuffing a CVT into everything with 4 wheels, Mazda stuck with a traditional 6-speed automatic. That means smooth shifts, predictable behavior, and none of that annoying rubber band feeling that makes some cars sound like they're auditioning to be vacuum cleaners. If you're shopping used, the 2018 facelift is where things really get interesting. Mazda upgraded the cabin with softer materials, improved sound insulation, redesigned seats, and an infotainment system that finally felt worthy of the beautiful interior. Sit inside one of these grand touring or signature trims, and it's honestly funny how close it feels to entry-level luxury brands. People expecting just another Japanese sedan usually end up wondering why they almost spent $10,000 more somewhere else. Of course, no used car is perfect. Some later naturally aspirated models introduced cylinder deactivation, and while it's generally proven reliable, you'll still want to check that maintenance has been done on schedule. Oil changes every 5,000 miles are your best friend here. Also inspect the suspension if the previous owner lived somewhere with rough roads because, let's be honest, some potholes in America are large enough to qualify for their own zip code. The best part is depreciation. Since buyers keep chasing SUVs, the Mazda CX loses value much faster than it deserves. That's fantastic if you're buying used. You can often find a beautifully equipped 2018, 2019, or 2020 model with leather seats, premium audio, adaptive cruise control, and all the modern safety tech for the same money people are paying for a much more basic compact sedan. And somehow, despite being one of the nicest driving cars in its class, it still flies completely under the radar. That's exactly the kind of secret we like around here at Old Man Garage. But don't get too comfortable yet, because the next Mazda proves you don't need a giant SUV to get premium quality, and it might be the sweet spot of the entire lineup. Number 5. Mazda CX-30, 2020-2023. Next up is the 2020 through 2023. Mazda CX-30, and honestly, this thing exists because Mazda looked at the CX-3 and said, yeah, maybe Americans would like a little more room for Costco runs. Then they looked at the CX-5 and went, okay, maybe not that much room. The result is the Goldilocks SUV, right in the middle. Built on the Mazda 3 platform, the CX-30 feels much sportier than most small crossovers. While many rivals drive like oversized shopping carts with cup holders, this one actually makes back roads fun instead of feeling like a punishment. The smartest buy is the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine. It's smooth, simple, and avoids the extra complexity that comes with turbochargers. Fuel economy is solid too, averaging around 29 to 31 miles per gallon depending on drivetrain, making it easy on your wallet every time gas prices decide to have another midlife crisis. If you're shopping used, the select and preferred trims hit the sweet spot. You get features like blind spot monitoring, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a much nicer interior without paying turbo money. One reason these are such good buys today is timing. Thousands of 2020 and 2021 models are coming off lease, which means dealers have plenty of inventory. More supply usually means better prices, and that's exactly the kind of math we like here at Old Man Garage. There really aren't many major reliability concerns. Just check that routine maintenance was done on schedule and inspect the wheels for curb rash. Let's be honest. If every wheel looks like it lost a boxing match with every drive-through curb in America, the previous owner probably wasn't exactly gentle with the rest of the car either. The only thing people constantly argue about is the black plastic cladding around the body. Some think it looks rugged. Others think Mazda accidentally forgot to paint half the SUV. Either way, once you're inside, you'll probably stop caring because the cabin feels far more expensive than the price tag suggests. And if you think this little crossover is impressive, the next Mazda has been winning over enthusiasts for decades, proving you don't need big horsepower to have a ridiculously good time. Number 4. Mazda MX-5 Miata 2019 present. Now we get to the car that has been making people smile for over 3 decades, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, specifically the 2019 and newer ND2 models. If you've ever heard someone say, "I'd rather drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow," chances are they were talking about a Miata, or they already owned one. The Miata has one mission: make every drive feel like a weekend. It doesn't need 600 horsepower, fake engine noises through the speakers, or enough driving modes to require a user manual. It just needs a winding road and someone behind the wheel who isn't in a hurry to get to another boring Zoom meeting. Under the hood sits Mazda's 2.0-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder. Starting in 2019, Mazda bumped output to 181 horsepower and raised the red line to 7,500 RPM. On paper, that doesn't sound like a massive jump, but behind the wheel, it completely changes the personality of the car. It loves to rev, feels more alive, and somehow convinces you that taking the long way home is suddenly the responsible decision. Despite being a sports car, fuel economy is surprisingly good, averaging around 34 to 36 miles per gallon on the highway. That's sports car fun without crying every time you stop at a gas station. Reliability is where the Miata becomes almost unfair. The car is light, mechanically simple, and doesn't put enormous stress on its components. Less weight means less wear on the brakes, suspension, tires, and drivetrain. Sometimes the best engineering isn't adding more parts. It's having fewer parts to break in the first place. If you're shopping used, try to find a car that's as close to stock as possible. A garage-kept Miata owned by someone who drove it on sunny weekends is a dream find. A Miata covered in questionable aftermarket parts with stickers claiming an extra 50 horsepower. Well, let's just say those stickers usually add more confidence than actual speed. The early 2016 models had some manual transmission concerns, but by the ND2 update, those issues had largely disappeared. As always, check maintenance records and make sure the clutch feels smooth if you're buying a manual. One of the funniest things about owning a Miata is resale value. These cars refuse to depreciate like normal vehicles. Buy a clean one, take care of it, and a few years later you'll probably sell it for an amount that makes owners of luxury German sedans quietly stare into the distance. We're getting close to the top 3 now, and if you thought this little roadster was the biggest surprise, just wait until you see the sedan that most buyers completely overlooked while chasing SUVs. Number 3. Mazda 3 2018-2023. We've officially reached the top 3, and this is the car that proves you don't need to spend luxury car money to feel like you did. Meet the Mazda 3, especially the 2018 through 2023 models. Whether you prefer the sedan or the hatchback, this is one of those rare compact cars that actually makes you look forward to your morning commute, which is impressive, because traffic is still traffic. The 2018 model is a favorite for reliability. It was the final year of its generation, meaning Mazda had already ironed out nearly all the little issues. Then, in 2019, the 4th generation arrived with an interior that made people double-check the badge on the steering wheel. Seriously, If you covered the Mazda logo, some passengers would assume they had climbed into something that costs 10 grand more. The best all-around engine is the 2.5-liter Skyactiv G. It delivers a healthy balance of power and efficiency, producing enough punch to merge onto the highway without having to write your last will and testament. Fuel economy stays impressive too, averaging around 35 to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on the configuration. Another huge win is the transmission. Mazda continued using its proven 6-speed automatic, avoiding the CVTs that make some compact cars sound like they're desperately trying to escape their own engine bay. The shifts are smooth, predictable, and one of the reasons these cars have earned such a strong reputation for long-term durability. If you're considering the newer generation 2019 through 2023, you'll notice Mazda switched to a torsion beam rear suspension. Internet forums acted like it was the end of civilization, but in the real world, most drivers will never notice the difference. What they will notice is the quieter cabin, higher quality materials, and one of the nicest interiors you'll find in the compact segment. There are only a couple of things worth checking before buying. Mazda's beautiful Soul Red crystal paint is famous for looking absolutely stunning, and also for attracting rock chips like free pizza attracts coworkers. If you find one with paint protection film or a ceramic coating, that's a nice bonus. Also, inspect the wheels and tires, since enthusiastic drivers occasionally forget that curbs are not optional slalom gates. For students, commuters, first-time buyers, or anyone simply looking for a dependable daily driver, it's hard to beat the Mazda 3. It's reliable, economical, enjoyable to drive, and feels far more upscale than its price suggests. That's a combination very few manufacturers have managed to pull off. Quick favor before we reveal the final two. If you're enjoying this countdown, send this video to that friend who's about to overpay for a boring SUV just because everyone else has one. You might save them thousands of dollars. And while you're at it, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing more content like this here on Old Man Garage. Now, if you thought this compact was impressive, the runner-up is the SUV that quietly became one of Mazda's greatest success stories. And it's a lot more capable than most people realize. Number 2, Mazda CX-9, 2018-2021. Our runner-up is the 2018 through 2021 Mazda CX-9, and this SUV deserves way more attention than it gets. While everyone was busy arguing over the Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot, the CX-9 quietly walked into the room looking like it belonged outside a luxury hotel instead of a soccer practice. It's basically the kid in school who never bragged, and still got the highest grades. The biggest turning point came with the second-generation CX-9. Mazda ditched the old Ford-sourced V6 and built the SUV around its own 2.5-liter turbocharged Skyactiv G engine. Some people hear 4-cylinder and immediately panic, but don't. This engine was designed for torque, not drag racing. With up to 320 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel, it pulls effortlessly from low RPM, making everyday driving feel smooth and relaxed instead of constantly hunting for power. Considering its size, fuel economy is respectable too, averaging around 26 to 28 miles per gallon on the highway, which isn't bad for a 3-row SUV capable of hauling the family, luggage, sports gear, and somehow still ending up as the designated airport shuttle. One of the CX-9's biggest strengths is that it never feels as big as it actually is. The steering is responsive, the chassis feels balanced, and it corners with much more confidence than most SUVs in this segment. Some 3-row crossovers feel like you're steering a small cruise ship. The CX-9 feels more like a large wagon that accidentally spent too much time at the gym. If you're shopping used, the 2018 through 2021 models are the sweet spot. Mazda refined the infotainment system, added better sound insulation, and continued improving overall fit and finish. Climb inside a Grand Touring or Signature trim, and you'll find soft leather, real attention to detail, and an interior that punches well above its price class. Reliability is excellent overall, but there are a couple of things worth checking. Some early examples experienced coolant leaks around the cylinder head, although it wasn't a widespread issue. More importantly, verify consistent oil changes. Turbocharged engines reward owners who stay on top of maintenance and punish the ones who believe oil lasts forever because the internet said so. If you're looking at an all-wheel drive model, make sure the rear differential service has been performed at the recommended intervals. It's inexpensive maintenance that can prevent much more expensive repairs later. A few service records today can save you from having tomorrow's wallet file a missing person report. The CX-9 is one of those SUVs that surprises people after a test drive. It feels refined, comfortable, powerful, and genuinely enjoyable behind the wheel. It's proof that a family vehicle doesn't have to drive like a refrigerator on tires. And now we've made it. The #1 spot goes to the Mazda that perfectly blends reliability, comfort, value, and driving enjoyment. If you're buying only one used Mazda to keep for the next decade, this is the one you want. #1. Mazda CX-5, 2017-2021. And here we are, the #1 pick. If you've spent more than 5 minutes researching reliable used Mazdas, you probably had a feeling this one was coming. The 2017 through 2021 Mazda CX-5 is simply the best all-around used Mazda you can buy. It does everything well, asks for very little in return, and somehow manages to make every grocery run feel just a little less boring. The second-generation CX-5 is where Mazda really hit its stride. The styling became more upscale, the cabin took a huge leap in quality, and the driving experience felt closer to a luxury SUV than something competing in the mainstream market. It's the kind of vehicle that makes people ask, wait, this is a Mazda? For most buyers, the sweet spot is the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated Skyactiv G engine paired with Mazda's proven 6-speed automatic transmission. It's a combination that's earned an outstanding reputation for reliability. No CVT humming like an overworked kitchen blender. No overly complicated 9 or 10-speed transmission constantly searching for the right gear. Just smooth, predictable performance that keeps working year after year. Fuel economy is another reason this SUV has become such a favorite. Expect around 30 to 31 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on whether you choose front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It's efficient enough for daily commuting while still having enough power for road trips, mountain drives, or merging onto the interstate without saying a quick prayer first. The 2017 through 2021 models also benefited from continuous refinement. Mazda improved cabin insulation, upgraded the infotainment system, added more advanced safety technology, and made the interior feel far more expensive than its price tag suggests. Higher trims like the Grand Touring and Signature almost feel like luxury SUVs, except your mechanic won't greet you by your first name every other month. Reliability is excellent, but there are a few simple things to inspect before buying. On all-wheel drive models, verify that the rear differential fluid has been changed periodically. It's inexpensive maintenance that many owners overlook. Also, test the infotainment screen, as some earlier models developed the well-known ghost touch issue, where the screen starts selecting random menus all by itself. It's like the SUV suddenly decides it has opinions. Thankfully, it's usually an inexpensive fix. As always, maintenance history tells the real story. A CX-5 with documented oil changes every 5,000 miles and regular servicing is capable of covering an incredible amount of mileage. These engines have repeatedly proven they can comfortably exceed 200,000 and often 300,000 miles when properly cared for. What really puts the CX-5 above the competition is balance. It's comfortable without feeling soft, practical without looking boring, and reliable without sacrificing personality. While some SUVs feel like household appliances with license plates, the CX-5 still reminds you that driving can actually be enjoyable. If someone asked us here at Old Man Garage to recommend just one used Mazda for the average American driver, one vehicle that delivers premium looks, dependable engineering, reasonable ownership costs, and enough driving enjoyment to keep you smiling years later, the 2017 through 2021 Mazda CX-5 would be our answer every single time. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this list proved that you don't have to buy the same Toyota or Honda everyone else recommends to get a reliable car. Mazda has quietly built some incredible vehicles that can deliver premium quality, great driving dynamics, and the kind of longevity that keeps your mechanic wondering why they never see you. Just remember, the most reliable car in the world is only as good as the maintenance it receives. Find one with a solid service history, keep up with the basics, and there's a good chance it'll reward you with years of dependable driving. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments which Mazda you'd choose. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Old Man Garage, and we'll see you in the next one.